Hello.
Hi there.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. And you?
I am doing great. Thanks for asking.
Is this seat taken?
No, it is free. Please sit down.
Thank you. The coffee shop is very busy today.
Yes, it is always busy on Monday mornings.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. My name is Ben.
Nice to meet you too, Ben.
How do you spell your name, Anna?
It is Anna. How about yours?
It is Ben. Very short and simple.
Yes, it is easy to remember.
Are you waiting for someone?
No, I am just here to drink coffee and read a book.
That sounds like a nice morning.
Where are you from, Ben?
I am from Canada. And you?
I am from the United Kingdom.
Oh, you are British. Which city are you from?
I am from London.
London is a beautiful city.
Thank you. Which city in Canada are you from?
I am from Toronto.
I hear Toronto is very cold in the winter.
Yes, it is very cold and snowy.
Do you live here in New York now?
Yes, I live here now.
How long have you lived here?
I have lived here for 2 years.
Do you like living in New York?
Yes, I love it. The city is very exciting.
I agree. There are many things to do.
Are you living in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small apartment downtown.
I live in an apartment too.
What do you do for a living, Ben?
I am a teacher.
Really? What do you teach?
I teach mathematics at a high school.
That is a very interesting job.
Thank you. What about you? What is your job?
I am a graphic designer.
Wow, that is a very creative job.
Yes, I design websites and logos.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes, but usually I go to the office.
Where is your office?
It is near the train station.
How do you go to work every day?
I take the subway. And you?
I drive my car to school.
Is the traffic bad in the mornings?
Yes, it is terrible. I have to leave early.
What time do you start work?
I start at 8 a.m.
I start work at 9 a.m.
You are lucky. You can sleep a little longer.
Yes, but I finish work late at 6 p.m.
I finish at 4 p.m.
That is nice. You have a long evening.
Yes, I have time to relax after work.
Do you like your coworkers?
Yes, they are very friendly and helpful.
My coworkers are great too. We often eat lunch together.
That is a good way to make friends.
Do you speak any other languages, Ben?
Yes, I speak English and a little French.
That's impressive. French is a beautiful language.
Do you speak a second language?
I am learning Spanish right now.
Is Spanish difficult to learn?
The grammar is hard, but it is fun.
Do you want to travel to Spain?
Yes, I want to visit Madrid next year.
I love traveling.
Which countries have you visited?
I have been to Japan, Mexico, and Italy.
Which country is your favorite?
I think Japan is my favorite.
Why do you like Japan?
The culture is amazing and the food is delicious.
I really want to go to Tokyo one day.
You should definitely go. It is very safe and clean.
Do you travel alone or with friends?
I usually travel with my friends.
What do you do for your free time, Ben?
I enjoy reading and playing sports.
What kind of sports do you play?
I play tennis every Saturday.
Are you a good tennis player?
I'm okay. I just play for fun.
What kind of books do you read?
I like reading science fiction and history books.
I prefer reading romance novels.
Do you have any other hobbies?
I love cooking and baking.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook Italian food, especially pasta.
That sounds delicious. I'm not good at cooking.
Cooking is easy if you practice.
Maybe I should learn how to cook.
I can teach you a simple recipe sometime.
That would be wonderful. Thank you.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What is your favorite type of music?
I love pop and rock music.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran. What about you?
I love Taylor Swift. Her songs are catchy.
Have you ever been to her concert?
Yes, I went to her concert last year. It was amazing.
I want to go to a live concert soon.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I go to the cinema every weekend.
What kind of movies do you like?
I love action movies and comedies.
I like comedies too. They make me laugh.
Laughter is the best medicine.
Do you watch TV shows on Netflix?
Yes, I watch a lot of series in the evening.
Me too. It's a good way to relax.
Absolutely.
What are you drinking today?
I'm having a black coffee.
Is it good?
Yes, it is very strong and hot.
I am drinking a cappuccino.
Do you put sugar in your coffee?
No, I like it without sugar.
What is your favorite food?
I love sushi. I can eat it every day.
I like sushi too, but my favorite food is pizza.
Pizza is great for parties.
Yes, with a lot of cheese.
Do you often eat at restaurants?
Not very often. It's quite expensive here.
Yes, eating out costs a lot of money.
So I usually buy food from the supermarket.
Me too. Cooking at home saves money.
Are there any good restaurants near your house?
Yes, there's a great Thai restaurant on my street.
I love Thai food. Is it spicy?
A little bit, but it's very tasty.
I must try it someday.
Tell me about your family, Ben. Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family. Just my parents and one sister.
How old is your sister?
She is 22 years old.
Is she a student?
Yes, she is studying at a university in Canada.
That is nice. Do you miss your family?
Yes, I miss them a lot. I call them every Sunday.
Family is very important.
What about your family, Anna?
I have a big family. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Wow, 5 children in total? Your house must be noisy.
Yes, it was very loud, but also very fun.
Are you the oldest child?
No, I am the youngest.
That's sweet. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
I love cats. Are they easy to take care of?
Yes, cats are very clean and independent.
I have a dog. His name is Max.
Dogs are very friendly. What breed is he?
He is a golden retriever. He is very energetic.
Do you walk him every day?
Yes, I walk him in the park every morning and evening.
Pets make a house feel like a home.
I completely agree with you.
Oh, what time is it now?
It's almost 9:30 a.m.
Really? Time flies so fast.
Yes, we had a very good conversation.
I need to go to work now. I have a meeting at 10 a.m.
You should hurry so you won't be late.
It was really nice talking to you, Ben.
It was great talking to you too, Anna.
We should meet again for coffee sometime.
I would love that. Can I have your phone number?
Sure. My number is 555-123-4567.
Let me write that down. 555-123-4567. Is that correct?
Yes, that is right. What is your number?
My number is 555-987-6543.
Got it. I will send you a text message later.
Perfect. Do you use WhatsApp?
Yes, I do. You can message me there.
Great. I will save your number in my phone.
I'm glad we met today.
Me too. Thank you for sitting at my table.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day at school.
Thank you. Have a great day at work.
Goodbye, Ben. See you soon.
Bye, Anna. Take care.